Grand Theft Auto 6 leaks so far have been unstoppable thanks to leaker Cyberleeks, who appears to have a full build of the game. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. With each leak getting higher in quality than the last, the latest leaks include footage from inside a GTA 6 strip club, which is nothing especially scandalous, but the quality of some of the NPC models' faces is quite good. There's also a new clip of a car driving around with gasoline in its bed, resulting in an instant death crash with some odd physics and sound effects. This appears to be a reference to an actual real-life event that happened years ago where a video captured a man filling up the bed of his truck with gasoline. At one point, a specific clip is released in which Jason says he needs to gotta take a leak. There are shots from an airplane showing the Vice City skyline at night. Minus the watermarks, it seems like something that could be in an official gameplay reveal. One of the clips has a message for Jason to return to Lou's ship, first reference to the other playable character in the game. On top of this, a new poll on Cyberleek's website is now taking votes on whether they release footage of the beach, a second strip club, or a nudist town next. Cyberleeks have been posting such things for days now. Take-Two seems to have eased up on the takedowns given how fast these clips are spreading. They're busy subpoenaing everyone from Microsoft, Discord, to now X in order to find specific account information, which even includes fake profiles for Cyberleek. This entire situation is on a knife's edge right now so far. Cyberleek hasn't made any wild reveal about what's coming. Regardless, Rockstar wants absolutely none of this online, which makes sense obviously. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.